I am excited to delve into the topic of the role of spirituality and mysticism in Nietzsche's philosophy. Nietzsche, a German philosopher, was known for his provocative and often controversial ideas about morality, religion, and human nature. While he was critical of traditional forms of religion, he saw the potential for spiritual experiences and mystical insights to enrich our lives and help us cultivate a sense of awe and wonder. At the heart of Nietzsche's philosophy is the idea of the will to power, which he saw as the driving force behind all human action and creativity. For Nietzsche, the will to power is not necessarily a desire for domination over others, but rather a striving to achieve our full potential and overcome our limitations. In this sense, Nietzsche's philosophy can be seen as a form of self-improvement or self-transcendence, aimed at helping us become the best versions of ourselves. Spirituality and mysticism, according to Nietzsche, can play a vital role in this process of self-transcendence. By opening ourselves up to experiences beyond our everyday reality, we can tap into a deeper sense of meaning and purpose and discover new dimensions of our own potential. Nietzsche was particularly drawn to the mystical traditions of Eastern religions, such as Buddhism and Hinduism, which he saw as offering powerful techniques for self-transformation and enlightenment. At the same time, Nietzsche was critical of traditional forms of religion, which he saw as promoting a slave mentality and stifling our potential for growth and self-expression. In particular, he was opposed to the Christian emphasis on humility and self-denial, which he saw as a form of self-abnegation that prevented us from realizing our own power and potential. Instead, Nietzsche advocated for a form of spirituality that was grounded in our own individuality and creativity, and that encouraged us to embrace our desires and passions. So how can we apply Nietzsche's insights about spirituality and mysticism to our own lives? One way is to cultivate a sense of awe and wonder by exploring new experiences and perspectives. This might involve trying out new activities, such as meditation or yoga, or exploring different cultural traditions and belief systems. By stepping outside of our comfort zones and embracing the unknown, we can tap into a deeper sense of wonder and appreciation for the world around us. Another way to cultivate a sense of awe and wonder is to focus on our own individuality and creativity, and to seek out experiences that allow us to express ourselves fully. This might involve pursuing a creative passion, such as writing, music, or art, or exploring our own unique identity and perspective. By embracing our own desires and passions, we can tap into a deeper sense of purpose and meaning, and discover new dimensions of our own potential. In conclusion, Nietzsche's philosophy offers a unique perspective on the role of spirituality and mysticism in our lives. While he was critical of traditional forms of religion, Nietzsche saw the potential for spiritual experiences and mystical insights to help us cultivate a sense of awe and wonder, and to tap into our own potential for growth and self-transcendence. By exploring new experiences, embracing our own individuality and creativity, and seeking out new perspectives, we can apply Nietzsche's insights to our own lives and discover new dimensions of meaning and purpose.